Wow. To me, this looks like the head of an animal, and here's its wings to the side, like a side profile. What do you think? Okay, let's practice doing some mini blooms. I got my pillow paint, and this is the PPG. I put it in a bottle like that. PPG eggshell white, and to 4 cups, I put a 1/4 cup of GAC 800. Okay, that's good for now. I think I need just a little more. Excuse me. Come on. There we go. All right, we're going to start with a Liquitex Fluorescent Pink. We're going to make small little puddles, and we're going to put them close together. And we can add more if we need more. Next, we're using a bright yellow. Now this is using the 70-30, 70% pouring medium of the Creative Inspirations. Sorry, 30% of the Creative Inspirations and 70% of Floetrol in this all the pouring medium. Okay, next we'll be using, I didn't have teal, so I made a custom teal. Now, when you see little bubbles, pop them. Come on, there you go. We'll be using black oxide from Amsterdam paint with Australian Floetrol for our cell activator. If you see things tilting, get it back. Let's pop those bubbles. I recently mixed up these paints, so there's extra amount of bubbles. Okay. Keep it up rather than down. Your mini, not like this, but like this for the bloom. Getting some more of the color there. Let's see what's down in here. Maybe the puddles were too close together, huh? That's okay. Pretty psychedelic, if you ask me. Now, if you have some black that's not really selling up, just gently blow with a straw in it. And then when you see some white dots that you do not want, if it's a big one, I use this side. If it's a tiny one, I use the pointed side. Gently touch it. Just very gently on the top. Okay, let's add a little more pillow paint. So we can put another bloom. Yellow. And our blue, our teal. And let's pop some bubbles with our torch. That yellow was really, come on, pop, pop, pop. And let's go again with some cell activator. Ooh. running to the side there. All right, we got one more, and I think I'll do one then in the middle too. But let's finish this one here. Oops. You don't want to do that. That'll probably go off the edge anyway. I'm going to do one in the middle, just because I don't really like what's going on there. Sometimes you have to find out where is your, sometimes it's hard. Well, that one, let's see if he'll get a little better there. No. Don't like what it did right there. Let me use a straw. See if we can get some color come up. Yep. A little bit more. How small can a bloom, how small can you make it? We're going to do some doodling. I need some doodling. Right. Are we ready to, let me see if any white bubbles pop up. Now this is definitely not my usual color palette. Very, very psychedelic. All right, no more little white dots popping up. There's one. Okay, let's spin this out. Wow. To me, this looks like the head of an animal, and here's its wings to the side, like a side profile. What do you think? Let's test and see how. Oh yeah. So it barely, there wasn't, I could tell that there was not much paint in the middle there, which is good. So now, I don't want more paint running off like that. I'm gonna take it to the table to dry. And many multi-blooms. I think the trick to this is keeping the blooms close together. Now, of course, if you wanted some white, now these are very bright colors. I usually don't make it like this. But if you want more white in your paintings, then make them a little farther apart and then doodle in where to connect them. But there will be more white in the middle then. So I love it. All right. Let me get you down a little bit closer. Wow. How crazy did this painting come out? Definitely psychedelic.